Say hi. This is Kayla. Say hi. And I'm going to get adjusted. Right?
Are you going to get adjusted to
This is Kaden.
Where are you right now?
Where are we?
At the chiropractor.
Yeah. Okay. Ready? Come on. Show me how to do it.
I can hold it. Got it.
You get your power on?
Well, why does it go up and down there? Why does it go up and down?
Sometimes people need it like that. You don't. You wouldn't lay on your back? Okay. Can you see if I go there?
Right.
How's your day going? That doesn't hurt, right? Yeah. I'm just gonna press right here, okay? Good girl. Okay, go ahead and turn over.
How would you know first?
Flip over. Reach out the rest of your spine. There you go. Good job. All right, blow out the candles for me. Big breath. There you go. Good job. All right, go ahead and lay on your side like the big girls do.
What do you do? I want to see what are you going to do now?
Other side. What are we going to do next? Go ahead. On your side, remember? Like you lay on the couch? Like this, silly girl. Bring me your shoulder. Let me see your hand. Give me this one. Here. There we go. Give yourself a hug. Bring your leg up. There it is. There it is. Perfect. Popcorn. Good job. All right, come on up. Let's see, power's on, I think. Can you look at there and say power's on?
Have some.
Power's on.